£1,000 racing bike.
And we have a Swytch electronic conversion kit.
In today's video, we're going to put them together and see what happens.
It's a wheel!
Essentially what this is a front wheel motor with some other stuff that you fit to your bike and it becomes electric. We're going to put it on the fastest setting and then go outside. We've come to the Pennines for some challenging conditions to test the Swytch kits in. First test, the air is absolutely killing me.
Nothing.
Dead.
That is officially dead.
Round 2, this one is the max 30km range. Let's see how far we get. So the results are in.
This one's official distance was 15 kilometers and it did 10 point something or other. This one's official is 30 and it did 21 and a bit.
That's pretty good. Are you gonna get 30k and 15k out of these in Newcastle or in London? Probably yes.
You're not using this on a bike that's designed to be ridden 100 kilometers in the middle of nowhere.
However, you can. We had a smashing ride today and it was fun. The batteries did run out, but you could put that in your pocket, which I did. So that marks the end of today's video. Would you use one of these on your bike?